Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will learn about repeated words with a focus on frequency. Our lesson will focus on repeated words for frequency, mga salitang inuulit para sa dalas. Repeated or being repeated, inuulit. Words, mga salitang. For, para sa. Frequency, dalas. You would have seen some of these words already if you saw the lesson on adverbs of frequency. I will put the link to that lesson in the description below. But today, I will give you more words and more examples. So our root word is hour, oras. To say hourly, we double the word, oras, oras. Day is araw. And to say daily, araw-araw, my favorite word. And week, linggo. To say weekly, linggo-linggo. Month is buwan. To say monthly, buwan-buwan. And taon is year. To say yearly or annually, taon-taon. Now let us use those words in example sentences. What time does the bus come by? Anong oras dumadaan ang bus? What? Anong? Time, oras. Does come by, dumadaan. The, ang. And we just use the English word bus. The bus comes by hourly. Dumadaan ang bus oras-oras. Comes by, dumadaan. Hourly, oras-oras. Do you take the bus every day? Nagbubus ka ba araw-araw? So, do take the bus, nagbubus or nagbabas. And you is ka. Every day or daily is araw-araw. And what is the use of that word ba? Nagbubus ka ba araw-araw? Ba is an indicator that we are asking a question and it is answerable by yes or no. Here are some more examples. Every day, the traffic is heavy. Araw-araw na lang matraffic. This is an expression of frustration. Every day, araw-araw. The traffic is heavy can be simply said as matraffic. Now, those two words na and lang after the adverb araw-araw do not truly have an equivalent in the English language, but we use it to express frustration, a complaint, or disappointment. Araw-araw na lang matraffic. You said it. Every hour, every day. Sinabi mo pa. Oras-oras, araw-araw. Again, here is a person expressing annoyance or frustration. You, mo. Said, sinabi. The word for it is ito. It's just that we commonly omit this when we say, sinabi mo pa. Instead of saying, sinabi mo pa ito, we say, sinabi mo pa. And that pa at the end also expresses a tone of frustration. Oras-oras, araw-araw. Every hour, oras-oras. And every day, araw-araw. Now let us look at examples using those other repeated words. How often do you get paid? Gaano ka kadalas sumweldo? How, gaano? Often, or for some of you, often. Kadalas. Do get paid, sumweldo. And you is ka. I get paid weekly. Linggo-linggo ako sumisweldo. Ako. Get paid, sumisweldo. Weekly, linggo-linggo. Me, I get paid monthly. Ako, buwan-buwan. Me, ako. Monthly, buwan-buwan. You notice we also dropped or omitted the words for I get paid. Ako, buwan-buwan is enough. Here are some more sentences. Do you often come here, or do you come here often? Madalas ka ba magpunta dito? Do, come, magpunta. You, ka. Often, often. Madalas. Here, dito. And we used ba to express a question that is answerable by yes or no. Not much, but I come here yearly. Hindi masyado, pero nagpupunta ako dito taon-taon. Not, hindi. Much, masyado. But, pero. Ako. Come, nagpupunta. Yearly, taon-taon. Me too. I come here yearly. Ako din. Taon-taon akong nagpupunta dito. Me, ako. Too, din. I come here yearly. Taon-taon akong nagpupunta dito. Let us look at some more repeated words for frequency or mga salitang inuulit para sa dalas. Morning is umaga. Every morning is umaga. Now, why is it that we didn't say umaga? That is not valid. When we repeat words, we actually only repeat the first two syllables of the word and then add the word itself. So, is the first two syllables of umaga. And then we added umaga. Umaga. Afternoon is hapon. Every afternoon, hapon. So you see there, hapon only has two syllables, so we were able to repeat the complete word. Night, gabi. Every night is, can you guess what? Gabi. Now let us use some of these words in example sentences. Every when do you go jogging? Or simply, when do you go jogging? Tuwing kailan ka nagjo-jogging? Every, tuwing. When, kailan. Do, go jogging. Nagjo-jogging. You, ka. I do it every morning. Ginagawa ko ito umaga. I, ko. Do, ginagawa. It, ito. And every morning, umaga. Me, I cycle every night. Ako, nagbibisikleta gabi-gabi. Now, me is ako, and I is also ako, which is why we do not need to repeat ako in the Filipino version. Cycle, nagbibisikleta. Every night, gabi-gabi. That is our lesson on repeated words for frequency and we will have more lessons on repeated words. Meanwhile, for your homework, practice. Practice using repeated words to talk about frequency in the Filipino language. Have fun! I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!